Entrepreneur and CEO of Turing Pharmaceuticals, Martin Shkreli was born on 1st April 1983 in Sheepshead Bay, Brooklyn, New York City, USA, of Albanian and Croatian descent. He became notorious in 2015 when he bought the U.S. rights to Daraprim, an essential medicine according to the World Health Organization, and raised its price from $13.50 a tablet to $750. So, just how rich is Martin Shkreli? Celebrity.money estimates Shkreli's net worth to be over $100 million, with most of his wealth coming from the pharmaceutical industry and financial dealings as hedge fund manager, plus founding startup companies. Shkreli was born into a poor family. However, he graduated from New York's Baruch College in 2004 with a degree in business. Meantime, starting an internship at Cramer Berkowitz Company when just 17. And by 2006, he was able to start his own hedge fund, Elea Capital Management, while still only 23. His talent in finance, including success as a stock trader, brought Martin Shkreli onto Forbes' finance list 30 under 30. However, his first hedge fund, Elea, didn't go well because of a lawsuit alleging trading irregularities. But then, in 2008, Shkreli started a similar business, MSMB Capital Management, which allowed him to move into the pharmaceutical industry. He subsequently founded the company Retrofin LLC in 2011, with a particular interest in medicinal treatments for rare diseases. A year later, the entrepreneur had to deal with accusation of using the company's money to pay investors from his previous business, effectively a Ponzi scheme, and a $65 million lawsuit forced Shkreli out of the company. However, in 2015, Martin Shkreli founded and became the CEO of Turing Pharmaceuticals AG, and soon became infamous after having bought for $55 million the manufacturing license for Daraprim, a treatment for toxoplasmosis in pregnant women, the newborn, and persons with compromised immune systems. He then made the decision to raise its price by 56 times, consequently seeing him named the most hated man in America, according to the BBC. However, he was also appointed the CEO of the biotech company Calobios, but at the end of 2015, the FBI arrested Shkreli on charges of securities fraud. The allegations are that the CEO of Turing Pharmaceuticals had $45 million in a brokerage account at E-Trade, and industry magazines speculated that his net worth includes other financial accounts and assets. The entrepreneur paid a $5 million bond for his release from custody and quit his CEO position, meantime also being fired by Calobios. The case is ongoing as of early 2017. Martin Shkreli made himself a reputation using social media, but this has backfired with him being painted as a Wall Street villain as a consequence of trading controversies, insider messages on Twitter, and his suspicious sources of income from legal frauds, small biotech companies, and stock promoters. One suspects that Shkreli's story still has a long way to run. The entrepreneur has shared parts of his personal life online, but nothing about relationships, which he is apparently very careful to keep private.